Hello students, what we are going to do today? Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 1 of history, the French Revolution. Chapter 1 of history, the French Revolution. And in this chapter what we are going to discuss about the French Revolution. And I will tell you why this French Revolution is most important for the history, not only for India but for a whole world. Not for your class 9th but for your class 10th too. Because chapter 1 of class 10 is completely based on this chapter. This chapter. So if you will get this chapter, then only you will be able to score good in history in class 10 as well as in class 9, right? So what was there in the French Revolution? What was there that on the day of 14 July 1789, what we will do, that we will go in flashback. We'll go in flashback, then we'll discuss about the whole story, then we will come in present. As we are watching in movies, that first they were discussing about the past, then they are then they are coming in the present. So what happened on 14 July 1789, that this date is known as the outbreak of the French Revolution. Means this day is considered as the day of the French Revolution. Let's see. On the morning of 14 July 1789, the city of Paris was in state of alarm. Means there were intense tension was there on the day of 14 July 1789. On the day 14 July 1789, there was intense tension in the Paris. Right? What was the tension? The tension was there. One king was there in Paris. Monarchical system was there. Monarchy means the rule of a king. Monarchy system was there in the France, and what was there? The king was so means. We can say आलीशान आराम की जिंदगी जीने वाला, right? So what he did, there were some kind of conditions were in in France, that what he did, he sent troops, he sent some soldier in the Paris, and then what happened? Rumors spread that the king has sent the army in the city or in the Paris. Then the king had given the order to the troops means to the army, to open fire upon the citizen. Let's see with the first one. On the morning of 14 July 1789, the city of Paris was in the state of alarm. Means great tensions were there. Then rumors spread. Rumors means afwahin. Rumors spread that the king has ordered for open fire upon the citizen. These were the rumors. Then what happened? People started gathering. And approx 7,000 people were gathered, and they started attacking on the government buildings. What was there? People started gathering and they started breaking government buildings in search of arms. What they did? They started attacking on the government building. Why they were attacking on the government building? Because they were thinking that we have to fight with the soldiers now. Now we have to fight with the soldiers. So for fighting there is need of ammunition. Ammunition means there is need of weapons. Then weapons will be in the government buildings or the government offices. So that's why they attacking on the government buildings. People gathered and they started attacking or breaking government buildings in search of arms. Arms means weapons or ammunition. The commander of Basti What is Bastille? The palace where the king's palace. The king's palace was Bastille. Old king palace was there, that was Bastille. Right. Now it was turned into a prison. It was turned into a prison. So what was there? The commander of Bastille was killed in armed fight. People started fighting against the soldiers, and what happened? The commander was died in fight, and Bastille, that was a palace, and that was converted into a prison. And what was there? 7 prisoners were released. 7 prisoners were in the prison, and that 7 prisoners were released when people attacked on the Bastille. Why they attacked on Bastille? Because Bastille was the symbol of despotic powers of the king. Means absolute power of the king. Right. So people attacked on the government building, and people hated Bastille. People hated that palace reason because it was showing the despotic power of the king. It stood for the despotic power of the king, means absolute power, means there will be no check on the power of the king or no control on the power of the king. That is despotic power. And next was there the fortress demolished, that is Bastille. The Bastille demolished and its stones, means the bricks and the stones of the palace, what was there, were sold. People carried that stones of the Bastille and they were selling in the market, or they were selling to the people. Right? Why they were selling? They want to make their own home. No, as a souvenir. As a souvenir. Souvenir means एक यादगार की तरह वो उसे अपने पास रखना चाहते थे. That they want to keep that thing as the evidence that they were the part of the French Revolution, and they were there the part of the demolish of the fortress. Right. And in the following days, when this happened, and after that in the following days, more riots were there in Paris as well as in countryside. In Paris as well as in countryside. Countryside means in the villages. Right. So most people were protesting against the high price of bread. What was there? I'll tell that 3 categories were there in the Paris. What was there? 3 categories were there in the Paris. First state, second state, and third state. First state, second state, and third state. The third state people, they were fighting for the high price of bread. The most important thing for the livelihood, that is for the living, that is bread, and the prices of the bread was high. Right. So people protesting against the monarch as well as against the high prices of bread. And then finally what happened? Execution of king in France. Finally the king was executed. The king was executed. One main question, I think it is there in your mind, that how and why did this happen? How means like this it happens, and why did this happen? I'll tell you. Right, I told you about the 3 states. First state, second state, and the third state. This is the introduction of the chapter, and in the next part what we will discuss about the France ruler.